If you see the message saying stop start not ready battery charging, it means it may mean two things in your Cherokee. Most often it means that the battery in your car is not feeling well and is about to kick the bucket, especially if it's the Cherokee, not the Grand Cherokee, which will have an auxiliary battery under the passenger seat. And secondly, the problem may be related to extremely short driving cycles and city traffic, which doesn't spare your battery and makes you buy a new one once every 3 years or something like that. So the problem is that a battery management system registers low voltage in the 12-volt battery, and instead of letting the engine stall when you stop the car at a traffic light, the engine will keep working and trying to charge the battery. In the Jeep Cherokee, there is one single 12-volt battery under the hood, that is the AGM battery. In the Grand Cherokee, this message will mean that the auxiliary battery is weak and needs replacement. But before you replace the battery, you may try charging it with a good charger, or at least checking with a load tester. This will give you more information about the condition of the battery and sometimes will let you postpone your purchase of the new battery for several months or even more than that. Especially if you mainly drive in city traffic, it makes perfect sense to connect your battery to a charger once every half a year. If you decide to buy the new battery, make sure you are getting the AGM battery of the needed size and cranking amps to avoid battery management system problems. Also, if your car is still under warranty, you may want to know that batteries are covered by the general warranty and you may get a free new battery from the dealership after they make certain inspections on your car.